Yellow group, this is yellow sort 20. Today you need 5 different colors. You have 4 main patterns, and then you do have an oddball. So go ahead and grab 5 colors, and we'll get into our first pattern here. Our first pattern, this little loop right here, the little curved line, means that it is a short sound. So we're going to focus on the vowel O. Short O makes the ah sound, doesn't say O, makes the ah sound. And we're going to look for consonant, vowel, consonant. So for example, we have laong, laong. L is our consonant, O is our vowel, N is our consonant. It makes the ah sound, laong. I think we might only have one more. This one down here, stock, stock. T is our consonant, O is our vowel, C is another consonant. It makes the ah sound, stock. Okay, so we have long and stock. Go ahead and change your colors. Now we're going to go next door. And this is long O. When you see the line over the O, means it says its name. So it says O. So we have C consonant, vowel, consonant, and then ends with an E. For example, froze. I hear the O in it, froze, and I have O, Z, E. We have globe. I have consonant L, vowel O, consonant B, and ends with an E. We have wrote. Down here, I wrote a poem. R consonant, O vowel, T consonant, ends with an E. Ooh, over here, close. This is not like the clothes that you wear. This is like, please close the door. L consonant, O vowel, S consonant, ends with an E. Okay, those all make the O sound. Switch colors again. Let's go over to the OAs. We have a consonant, then an OA in the middle, vowel, vowel, and then a consonant. These also make the O sound. For example, coal. May I hear the O, coal. We also have coach. I hear the O, coach. How about roast? I hear the O, roast in there. Come down here, loaf, like a loaf of bread, loaf. I also see roam, roam. That's like, where do you let your dog roam? Or the giraffe likes to roam on the plains. O, I hear the O. And oat over here, O-A-T. I hear the O-A right there, makes the O sound. Good. All right, let's change colors again. This time I'll go pink. And this time we're going to do the O-W. So consonant, vowel, vowel. We're going to count the W as a vowel for right now because it's joined in with the O. And these also make the O sound. For example, show. Please show me. Or slow. I hear the O-W makes the O sound. Or blow. Do you like to blow out the candles? Grow. You are growing every day. Grow. Snow. Did you see the snow? Flow. Are you good at going with the flow? Throw. This is like, please throw me the ball. Row. Do you like to row your boat? Mow. Have you ever had to mow the lawn? And this is know, like I know the answer. Okay, you do have one oddball. That oddball is right here in the middle. It looks like it should be part of the consonant, vowel, consonant with an E on the end. So it should make the long O sound, but it is not. Instead, we say whose. What? Whose? Like, whose ball is this? Weird. So that is our oddball in ours. Okay, go ahead, yellow group, make sure you take a picture and make sure you study.